Hello, I'm Elaine Powell and I'm so excited to be the opening keynote speaker at R.I.S.E Women Leadership Conference on the 19th of September in the beautiful Rhode Island. This is more than just an event. It's a movement. It's a gathering of incredible women ready to step into their power. You know, in business, we can sometimes feel stuck, disempowered, or lonely, and it's normal. So that's why the R.I.S.E team have pulled together a stellar lineup of speakers, panels, breakout sessions, all designed to educate, inspire, and empower you. Now, if you're ready to take your business and your career up to the next level, then don't wait. Register now, the link's below, and join me, Elaine Powell, and the R.I.S.E team on the 19th of September. Let's rise together. See you soon.